there, this is Wes with the Gadget Flow, and today we are showcasing the iBlue Smart Gate, which lets you open your gate, garage, or building door with your phone. The iBlue is a small black box wired into the electrical panel of your door and connects using Bluetooth for close range usage. Manage multiple gates and doors from the smartphone app. You can also share virtual keys with friends, family, employees, or even guests so they can use iBlue as well. No more garage door openers, gate codes, or security badges. Just use your smartphone and the iBlue Smart Gate Opener. It's the 21st century. It's about time doors got smarter.